Yes, Priyanka, tell me about yourself.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Mrs. Priyanka Yogesh Nagpure. Currently, I am living in Nasik.
Okay.
I got married in 2016. About my qualification, I completed my master's degree in computer science with O grade. Currently, I am doing software testing course in automation as well as in manual testing.
Okay.
During my academic years, I always participate in extracurricular activities. I have got certification for them.
Okay.
About my family, I live in a joint family. I have daughter. She is 4 year old, and my husband work in the Disa Foundation.
Okay.
My hobbies are I like to listen music, cooking. Then I like to make a new connection with people. I like to talk with them.
Okay.
My strength is I am quick learner,
Mhm.
and my weakness is that I overthink.
Okay.
Sometimes I overthink about the
Okay.
things.
So, now tell me about database. What is database basically?
Database is the collection of information or the data in the form of table, rows and columns.
Okay.
One database can have one or more tables,
Okay.
and database can be vast and complex. The syntax for creating the database is the create database and database name.
Okay. What is that RDBMS? R. What is the meaning of that R?
RDBMS stands for the Relational Database Management System.
Okay.
RDBMS
Examples of RDBMS?
MySQL, MS Access, Oracle,
Okay.
SQL Server
These
are the
are
based
exam-
on the RDBMS.
Okay. Means they have relationships with
Yes,
each other.
yes.
Data. Okay. Data relationship. Okay. Have you heard about normalization? What is normalization?
Okay, normalization is the process of organizing the structured data in the database efficiently.
Okay.
It includes the creation of table, then establish a relationship between them, specifying the rules for that relationship. So the normalization.
So it's a database design technique
Yes.
to remove the unwanted data, redundant data.
Yes.
That is called as
It to
normalization.
provide the flexibility to the database.
Okay, very good. So, what is SQL basically?
SQL stands for the structure query language. It is a database query language which is used for storing, retrieving, managing the data into the database.
Okay.
SQL is a case insensitive. Mostly it is a recommended practice to use the keywords like select, insert, delete, etc. in uppercase, and user defined things like table name, column name are used in lowercase.
Okay. What is DML?
DML stands for the data manipulation language.
Okay. What are different queries are there under DML?
Insert, update, delete are
Okay.
some.
So now
queries.
tell me the syntax of insert.
Okay. Insert into table name, then fields, values, and into bracket
Okay.
values.
What is update query?
Update.
Hmm?
Update table name. Update from update a specific field from table name. Set, and suppose
Update
we
table name, right? Set and particular
set
fields.
and
Okay.
particular field.
What is DDL?
Data definition language.
Hmm?
It includes the here we work on commands work on a structure of the table. It includes the create, then alter, drop, and truncate commands.
Okay. Then what is the difference between DML and DDL?
DML, data manipulation. In data manipulation, the commands are work on a data, and in
DDL.
DDL, the commands are work on the structure of the table.
Okay, means we can create a structure, we can modify a structure, or we can delete the structure. So, DML commands are auto committed or not?
DML commands. Sorry, sir, I don't.
No. Okay. What is DQL?
Data query language. Select command is a DQL
DQL
language.
command. And what is TCL?
TCL transaction control language. It includes the rollback and commit commands.
Okay. So, tell me what is primary key and foreign key?
Okay, primary key is uniquely identifies the data or the record in the table.
Okay.
Table in a SQL must be restricted to have the unique primary key.
Can we, okay, unique primary key.
Yes.
Okay.
Have one and only one primary key, and
Okay.
it must have the constant like unique and not null.
Okay.
And foreign key is ensure about the referential integrity for the record in another table. Means primary key of the one table can be used as a foreign key in another table.
So what is that concept is called? Referential integrity. Have you heard
Yes.
about referential
Yes,
integrity?
I said about
okay,
that.
Yes, sorry. So Priyanka, what is drop command basically?
Drop command. By using the drop command, it is delete the structure of the table permanently from the
And
database.
what is delete command? What is the difference between these two?
Delete. By using the delete command, we can only delete some specific record
Okay.
or rows.
We cannot
By
delete
not
table structure.
yet.
And then what is that truncate command basically?
Truncate command is used to remove the rows from the table, but it does not destroy the structure of the table.
Okay, so truncate can delete the data,
But it
will
not destroy
destroy.
the structure of table.
Then what is the difference between truncate and delete?
Delete record. Delete command deletes the specific record, but truncate does not destroy the structure of the table.
Suppose I have used query like delete from EMP,
Yes,
so it will
so we
delete
can
all
use
the records, right?
no, we have to give the where
But
condition.
suppose I have not given any where condition, then it will delete all the records.
Yes.
Then what is the difference between delete and truncate?
Okay, sir.
Truncate will delete all the records and
Yes.
it will initialize its primary key.
Yes, yes.
Right? So this is the difference between truncate and delete. Okay. So Priyanka, what is that having clause? Where we have to use having clause?
Having clause is used for the aggregation functions. It is used in a combination with group by clause.
Okay.
Aggregation functions like minimum, maximum, count,
These
average,
are
sum.
aggregate functions of SQL.
Yes.
Okay. So you have to use that having with.
Yes,
okay.
we are not using a where clause. So instead of where clause, we have to use the having clause.
And what is group by clause?
Group by clause is used. Group by clause, it is used to filter the group records with the identical data. It is used with the select statement, and group by clause is always used before the order by clause.
Okay. So suppose I want to get the first 4 records from my table. Suppose I have 100 records in a table and I want only first 4 records. Then which query you will fire?
We have to hire the query select top 4 star
Okay.
from table name.
Okay. Very good. What is that alter query basically?
Alter query is used to if we want to add some column in the table, then we use the alter query.
Only add?
Or modify.
Okay, you can modify.
Modify,
You can add.
add.
Okay. And you can also, suppose I want to rename any column name,
Then we have to use the stored procedure rename.
which store procedure? From SQL server?
SQL server.
Which one?
Rename.
Rename or SP underscore rename?
Yes, sorry.
SP
SP underscore rename.
Store procedure is there. Okay. Suppose Priyanka, I have one customer table
Yes.
which is having customer ID, customer first name, customer last name, customer city, and I have customers from Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Bangalore.
Okay.
But I want to get customer, I want to fetch the customer from Mumbai and Pune. Then which query you will write?
Select star. Select customer name.
Select star. I want all the customers.
Okay. Select star from customer. Where city in.
In operator.
Yes,
So you have to use in.
in.
Okay. In bracket.
And Mumbai city name. for
Okay.
example.
Comma देखिए आप दे
हाँ,
सकते हो.
comma
Okay. Very
देखिए,
good.
single quote में city name.
Okay. So what is SQL alias?
SQL aliases, if we want to change the column name temporarily,
Okay.
then we use the aliases, and as keyword is used for that.
Okay, only column name, or we can change the
Table name also, yes, we
Okay,
can change
very
table
good.
name also.
So, what is that like keyword?
By using a like keyword, we can suppose we want the name starting with some specific letter.
Means searching for
Yes,
searching
searching
operation.
for
Okay.
searching operation.
Only
we use
starting or ending?
ending
as
with,
well? Or
yes,
middle as
or
well?
middle,
Okay.
both.
So in that case, you have to
We
use
use it.
wild card as well, right? Percent wild card.
That's
Okay.
it.
So Priyanka, what is that between keyword or clause?
Okay, if we want the record within some specific range,
Okay.
then that time we use the between keyword.
Very good. Okay. So very good, Priyanka. So suppose I want to find out employee details
Okay,
who is having maximum
salary.
salary. So which query you will write? Can you just write down it on
Yes.
this paper? So can you explain me what you
Yes,
written?
select star from employee.
Mhm.
This is the first query.
Where?
Condition salary equal to select max salary from the employee table.
Okay, so can you explain me how this query will be executed? Which side will be executed first?
This
Left side or right side?
First this side is
Right side.
executed,
Okay.
and then after that
So
all
select
the
max of
details.
salary from employee.
Yes,
This
first
side
this-
will be executed, and that value will be assigned to the left hand
Left
side. From where we will get the
all the details of that
Okay, very
employee.
good. So Priyanka, what are different joins of SQL?
Okay, basically join is the combination of two or more tables in the SQL.
Okay.
So there are some types: inner join, left outer, right outer join, and full.
So inner join, left join, right join,
And
full outer join,
full outer
cross
join.
join is also there, self join is also there.
Yes.
Okay. So Priyanka, have you heard about store procedures?
I know a little bit of them, but not in detail. Store
Okay.
procedure, I think it is a prepared code of SQL, which can be used many times. Means it is reusable code.
Okay, so store procedure is nothing but SQL or PL/SQL statements, right? Which are stored on database server.
Server.
Very good. So thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for your time.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.